Happy birthday, Mama. Wishing you many more years to come. We love you.
Birthday, Gogo. Wish you a merry.
Happy birthday, Gogo. We wish you
Happy birthday, Rakoma.
Nasi zuva renyu muchingezi. Zuva is your son, Dopai maruva enyu. Proud to be your son, thanking God for the years that He's adding to you, mom. You were there when I was crawling, Nikafamba, now I run. 9 months for each of us deserve the fruit of your labor. When we were minors and the role you played was crucial and major. Mighty Raira Amai, for the future you raised us. Like Kanye's mama, you will tell us only Jesus could save us. Jesus walked in all your life, it is written in pages. When I look at family pictures, all these beautiful places, I know it's you who planted love. There's no one who can replace it. Muri genius, Muri great, Muri good, Muri gracious. Mighty big Kira food in Ovaka in an apron. Basarepa Deni Rino strainer than a day job. No matter what the struggle, mom, you told us we should praise God. Kumanya ndi kushika mwana, life is not a race car. You say to cite a pressure, uchichiva je my neighbor. These are principles I love to share and always safeguard. Trying to turn $1 to a dream because we slave hard. Amai Moody inspiration, Yangu, you a brave heart. As a child I made a drawing, mom, you took it to the paper. Chronicle and Sunday News, you were tuned into my nature. Michael was an artist and to raise me was the hardest. Naigweje Mura radio, it wasn't on your budget. Till you say no uyo musambo mu jaje. He genius and he always likes to open gadgets. Munondi promoter kuhamat in a business project. And you've affirmed that you love me and my business mindset. So listen, in Zwaika, Papete Renyu, 24 March 24. A church say thank you. Palm Sunday Muma Anglican and Catholic Church. Mom Sunday to Mcpotar, what a culture of worth.
happy birthday, Gogo. We wish you many more.
And we love you.
Love you, Gogo.
Happy birth, 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 happy birthday, happy birth, happy birth, happy birth, happy birth. Happy birth, happy birth, happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, Amai. Here's to many more years filled with love, health, and wealth. Bye-bye.
We wish you many more years to come. Makati Koshera.
And how old are you?
We love you.